twin counter module. It has many features. You can use counter in different experiments, but let's check which features it has by integrating to different modules. So basically, counter module has 4 different modes. So two of these modes, as you can see here, are represented as value. One of the values shows the voltage of the circuit, and the other part of the value again shows the voltage in terms of percentage. So if you have 5-volt value in the circuit, you will see 100%. Actually, since it is a 2-digit display, you will see 99% when you see 5 volts in the circuit. And another two is actually serve as a counter modes. So when you switch this to up arrow and choose counter, each time the counter module reads the signal 1, you will see an increase in the display. And if you choose down arrow, the display starts with 99, and each time the circuit reads signal 1, it drops the number to 98, and so on. So we can maybe integrate it to a circuit. So I will show the most basic usage. So as you can see, when you have voltage, full voltage, it reads 5 volts, and when I choose the percentage, it shows 99. And when I choose counter down arrow, you can see it starts from 99, and each time it reads signal change, it drops the value, and when it is 0, it will increase. So in order to make it useful, we need input modules. So counter basically reads the signal and then acts accordingly. So I connected the system and I choose the up arrow. So each time it will read the signal 1, it will increase the display. So let's see. As you can see, until I come to 5. Oh, sorry. Now I choose the up arrow, and you see 0. And each time it reads number 5, you will see an increase. So, and it will continue so on. So each time it reads 5 volts, meaning signal 1, it increases the display. So I will switch it to below, and this time, each time it reads again 5 volts, it will decrease the display. So I see 8, 7, 6, 5, and so on. So if I choose the voltage, you can see the voltage value, it is 5 volt, and if I decrease the voltage, you can see the voltage value drops. And let's choose 2.5 volt, and when I change it to percentage, it will show 50%, around 50%. So this is the percentage. As you can see, I maximize the voltage and it shows 99, 98%, and now it is 0%, meaning that there is 0 voltage. But as you can see, it works. I mean, the energy is here, so the counter module reads the signal value, and accordingly it displays the voltage, the voltage 4.4, the percentage of the voltage. And when I choose counter, and as I mentioned, each time it reads, it increases the voltage. So I can use, for example, button as well. So again, each time it reads signal 1, it increases. So one example project might be, so let's try the proximity sensor together. So when you use the proximity sensor along with a counter, and let's say you use this proximity sensor as an eye, so maybe you can think about a soccer field, and you can position this eye to the goal line, right? So when I position this to the goal line, and when it sees the ball passing in front of the goal line, you can see the increase. So children sometimes use this to keep the score in competitions. And there's a reset button on top of the counter. When you click on the reset button, the display goes back to 0. Thanks for watching. See you in the next bit.